Kolkata is blessed with ample monsoons every year. While this may keep the temperatures cool, it is quite a pain when it comes to maintaining the walls of your house from dampness and keeping them seepage free. We often try hard to hide the ugly seepage in our homes with furniture, but sooner or later it spreads to larger patches, making the house look nothing less than shabby. We did a market survey to find out the best solutions available to take care of your walls post-monsoon. Take a look. When the Kalsis moved to their plush new apartment in Gurgaon last winter, they were extremely picky about the walls of their house. Not only did they want a beautiful decorative wall, but also something that could prevent seepage to develop on the walls. After extensive research, they came across Marshall's Wall Coverings, which provides a plethora of options when it comes to wallpapers. From fabric, vinyl to non-woven wallpapers, the list is endless.
In my old house, I had this persistent problem in the basement where we were trying to break the wall and again then let it dry for some time. Maybe it would take it's a whole week's process, and then again paint it, repaint it. And during that time it would take a lot of effort, the cleanliness aspect and all. So that's how we thought that it would be a quicker option, and you don't have to break the wall, and absolutely very, very quick, and changes the whole look of the room, and it doesn't look shabby, the walls and all. Otherwise seepage makes the whole room look very shabby.
These wall coverings go higher over conventional wall paints because they're eco-friendly and do not emit harmful fumes. Not just that, wallpapers are great at insulation too. They act as a coolant during summer and keep your living spaces warm during the winter. You can clock in energy savings of up to 7% by using these wall coverings. Another advantage of wallpapers is that they are fire safe. They can contain the spread of fire.
If seepage of wall is more on the wall, so we can make an artificial wall over there by using of gypsum partition board, by giving up the half-inch space over there, and we can make the parallel wall, which reduce the chances of seepage on the front wall. And the top of the wall we can again put the putty and wall primer over there. And then we can select the very reasonable and price worthy range of the wallpaper on the top of the wallpaper, that particular wall, which help the customer to make over their room entirely.
With the festive season round the corner, changing the decor of your house is a given. Give each room of your house a new and different look with these exquisite wall coverings. They not only help you with changing the complete look of your house, but also help in covering those ugly patches and cracked walls. Smart solutions to keep your walls in top shape also include waterproof products by brands like Dr. Fixit. Their product line tackles seepage not only from the outside, but also targets the source of seepage from within. Dr. Fixit's Raincoat is an exterior waterproofing product. You simply mix it with your wall paint, and Raincoat binds all the porous gaps shut, ensuring no water seeps in. Dr. Fixit has another nifty anti-seepage solution called the Wonderproof. To fix severely damp walls, Wonderproof is coated on top of the plaster or masonry. Its high-grade resistance to water prevents the development of seepage in walls.
The Dr. Fixit Raincoat, it is basically a elastomeric coating. So it is non-diluted at site, elastomeric coating. So that is able to bridge the cracks and the porous plaster and doesn't allow the water to go in. So that's how it functions. Wonderproof is the only product which can be used to waterproof the wall from inside without breaking it.
So if seepage in your home is a huge eyesore, but you're on a budget, Dr. Fixit comes in as a pocket-friendly solution. But if aesthetics is also of prime importance to you, then Marshall's Wall Covering is a long-lasting, durable and a quick solution that offers you a variety of designs and concepts. In New Delhi with camera person Sumi Deogam, this is Radhika Sarkil for NDTV. We come to a close on this Kolkata special edition of Property It's Hot. We wait eagerly for your thoughts and suggestions